Hi, my name's Austin, aka the Duke of Craft. I've got a ton of new video content planned for this channel, but first I need to get some kind of a makerspace put together. The dining room table just isn't gonna cut it. I mentioned in my first video that I've got a big 2-car detached garage that I plan on making my permanent studio workshop space. However, it needs a ton of work. I don't have the time or the money to do it right now. But I do have this 1-car attached garage, and it's already insulated and finished. It just needs a major facelift, cleaning up a lot, and most importantly, it needs air conditioning. Here where I live, it's 90 degrees and over 50% humidity outside, and it's not much better in here. So first thing I need to do today before I start fixing the place up is get some air conditioning put in. Oh, nice. All right, I think that wraps up this little garage facelift. It looks nowhere near perfect, I'll admit that, but it's a garage, it doesn't need to look perfect. And the main purpose of this whole thing was to make the garage look better on video, and I think it undeniably does. So I've got some really cool projects coming up. If you want to see those, please make sure you hit the subscribe button and ring the little bell icon so that you'll be notified when I upload the next one. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.